Guys, it's me Angel and welcome back to Angel Productions, and today I'll be showing you my paper squishy collection. I'm really excited for 2017. I know I'm going to make some more, but I'm going to show you guys because I'm really excited. So I'm going to show you my paper squishy collection, so let's get started. Okay, let's go to the paper squishies that doesn't have any series. Okay, so the first one I have is these fries. They're pretty squishy. I can't focus. They're not focusing. Focus. They're focusing on my face. But here it is. And by the way, the date is right now 12/21. Okay. So the next one I have is this cone. Ice cream cone. It's pretty slow rising. I don't think you can see because it is freaking focusing my face. It's not the ice cream. I don't think you can see it, but I have that. Next one I have is this basketball, Quirog basketball. It's really squishy. Then I have this poop squishy. I have this donut. This one my cousin made for me. So I have this donut squishy and my cousin made this for me. Okay, and then the last but not least is this money. I'm gonna make more money and make it look like a little money. Sorry about the background noise. So here it is. It's like cleaning day and I'm just totally clean. I'm back. So here's the money. It's really airy and really surprising. Super slow. Here. Why am I like cracking it? So, yeah. Really airy. I love this one. My favorite squishy. So I have that. No series. So the next one is the ones that does have series. And I'm going to go first to the rainbow series. So first I have this heart. Really thin. Not that surprising. I also store them in this little shoebox. I'm gonna put them right over here. Next, I have this circle squishy rainbow one. They're pretty surprising. Okay, next one I have is this rainbow pillow. I don't really make rainbow squishies anymore. I don't know why. Oops. Here's the back. Okay, and lastly is this rainbow cake that my friend gave me. Or made me. Or gave me. I don't know. But she made it and then she gave it to me. She said, oh, I'm going to make a paper squishy for you. So she made this one for me. So maybe she made me. Okay, next one is the drinks series. First is this water. Watermelon kind of drink because it kind of It kind of looks like a little watermelon. Super tiny orange juice. And the cinnamon frappuccino. And tape the back. Next are my fruit squishies. First I have the strawberry dipped in chocolate. This watermelon. This apple. And this pineapple was given to my cousin. Next is my huge square series. First is this flower. Next is these dots. This dot. That's one. Triangle. This crayon. I melted the crayon and then let it drip here. I have a super small heart one, and so this is given to by my cousin. I have this frozen one. Here's the back of it. Not focusing. And then my favorite one in my series is this this design. I don't really understand, but it's just really airy and so easy. Do you hear that? Hear that? Well, I have this on my shoebox, so why don't we put this? This cracks. And lastly, my favorite series of all time is this chip series, or junk food series. These cheese flavored chips. Here's the back. Cheese curls. Super airy. Fish and chips. And lastly, barbecue flavored cheese. I mean cheese, do mean cheese. Barbecue flavored chips. And it's also very airy. So that's all my paper squishy collection. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. Push that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, because I really post a video randomly. Goodbye!